Okay, so we have to study today polity of Jharkhand. Polity of Jharkhand. First, we will discuss the structure of the legislative assembly, parliamentary constituency, all of these which are belong to polity of Jharkhand. Okay, first we will know Jharkhand is unicameral. Again, is a unicameral. What do you mean by unicameral? Unicameral means where only legislative assembly are exist. Legislative assembly are exist. That means like the member who are assembly MLA, member of legislative assembly. That means there is no legislative council. Legislative council. झारखंड में केवल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल नहीं है। लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल मतलब क्या होता है? विधान परिषद। लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली मतलब होता है विधान सभा। तो झारखंड में केवल विधानसभा है, जहां पर विधानसभा और विधान परिषद दोनों होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बाइकेमिरल। क्या बोलते हैं? बाइकेमिरल। बाइकेमिरल कुछ स्टेट्स हैं जैसे बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना और क्या बच गया? बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना और कर्नाटक। ये जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं ये क्या है? बाइकेमिरल। मतलब यहाँ असेंबली तो है ही, असेंबली तो काउंसिल भी है। दैट मीन्स द स्टेट्स व्हिच हैव both of the houses, like legislative assembly and legislative council, both these are known as bicameral. Which states have only one house like legislative assembly, these are known as unicameral. So Jharkhand is also unicameral. Now the structure of the assemblies. Okay, there are total 81 member elected and one nominated. One who is nominated, who are belong to Anglo-Indian. The first member of Anglo-Indian who is nominated by the governor, the first governor, Prabhat Kumar was the first governor of Jharkhand, and the nominated person was Joseph Pecheli Galestin was the first Anglo-Indian member. Now Joseph, which name Joseph Galestin, like Joseph, which kind of name? Present, in present. Okay, nominated by the present governor like Ramesh Bes, who are now not in Jharkhand. No, C.P. Radhakrishnan is not present governor. Now Santosh Gangwar. So one member nominated by the governor belong from Anglo-Indian, and 81 members are elected by the people, and the seats are divided like 28 seats are reserved for ST, 9 seats are reserved for SC. Add them, how much? 28 and 9? 37. And we have to subtract from 81, 37, how much? 44. So 44 seats are unreserved. Okay. ST seats, which ST seats? That means which seats are reserved for only ST candidate. Like in Kolhan. Kolhan is a commissary or division. In Jharkhand, there are 5 divisions. Or commissary. I hope everybody know about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First commissary is North Chota Nagpur. Second, South Chota Nagpur. Third, Palamu. What is the headquarters of Palamu? Medininagar. Yes. And fourth, संथाल परगना, and fifth Kolhan. So maximum seats are reserved for ST in Kolhan, Santhal Pargana, and South Karnakpur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These three areas, a lot of seats are reserved for STs, like Khoti, Saraikela, Kharsama, okay, Chagdarpur, Manoharpur. These seats are reserved for STs. SCs, which seats are reserved for SC candidate, like Chandan Kiari, okay,
Yes, sir.
Jugsalai, okay. These are reserved for STs, and which are not reserved for any category. These are unreserved seats, like Bokaro, Dhanbad, okay. These are unreserved seats. So first, this is the structure of Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand. Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand. That means there are 81 elected seats for by the people, and one nominated by the governor. That means total 82. This is the structure of Jharkhand in Assembly. Now the parliamentary constituencies. There are 14. There are 14 total. 14 seats. 14 seats in parliamentary constituency. In Jharkhand, and which are categorized like that. For 5 seats, 5 reserved for ST. 1 seats are reserved for SC, and which are left like 5 and 6, 8 seats. This is for unreserved, like general category. Okay. So which seats are reserved for only 1 seat for SC candidate? Which parliamentary constituency is reserved for SC? Palamu is a seat parliamentary constituency reserved for SC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which 5 seats are reserved for ST candidate in Jharkhand? These are Khoti. Second, Rajmahal. Third, Dumka. Fourth, West Singhbhum. And fifth, where? Lower Daga. Khoti, Lower Daga, Rajmahal, Dumka, West Singhbhum. These 5 seats are reserved for ST candidate for parliamentary constituencies in Jharkhand. Okay. Next, how many seats for Rajya Sabha belong from Jharkhand state? 6 seats. There are 6 seats for Rajya Sabha allotted from Jharkhand state. Okay. So write down first. There are 14 parliamentary constituencies. These are 5 seats reserved for ST, 1 seat reserved for SC, and 8 are for unreserved. Now we have to know about all the seats belong from the parliamentary constituencies and who on the seat from which political party. Okay. So parliamentary constituency. These are first Ranchi, unreserved. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And who won from Ranchi parliamentary constituency? Sanjay Seth. From which political party? BJP. Dhanbad. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Unreserved general. Okay. Dhullu Mehto from BJP. Third, Jamshedpur, unreserved general seat. Vidyut Varan Mahato Which political party? BJP. Okay. Next, Godda. Godda belong from which commissionary? संथाल परगना. Yes. जमशेदपुर, कोल्हान, धनबाद, नॉर्थ चौड़ंगपुर, रांची, yes. From Godda, Nishikant Dubey. Nishikant Dubey. Which political party? BJP. Chatra, unreserved general. Kalicharan Singh, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Kalicharan Singh. Which political party? BJP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6. Giridih. Giridih is also unreserved seat. Okay. Who won from Giridih parliamentary constituency? Chandraprakash Chaudhary. Chandraprakash Chaudhary. Belong from which political party? AJSU. ISU. That means All Jharkhand Student Union. Next, 7. Kodrama. Kodrama is also unreserved seat. And Annapurna Devi. Annapurna Devi. On from Kodrama. And which political party? BJP. And two interesting facts there also raised in my mind. So I think I have to share the basic information regarding this also. You know how many members of parliament who elected from Jharkhand state are in minister of Union government. That means झारखंड से 14 लोकसभा सीटों में से जितने मेंबर चुने गए 14 सीटों में से 14 लोग, उनमें से कितने लोगों को झारखंड से, कितने लोगों को केंद्र सरकार में यानी कि मोदी गवर्नमेंट में जगह मिली है?
Yes, sir.
तो पता है लोगों को
Yes, sir.
कितने लोगों? 2. वेरी गुड. एक संजय सेठ जिनको MOS बनाया गया है मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट, मिनिस्टर ऑफ किस मिनिस्ट्री में? डिफेंस में. हाँ. और एक अन्नपूर्णा देवी जिनको बनाया गया कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर ना?
Yes, sir.
कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर. कौन सी गवर्नमेंट में? चाइल्ड वुमेन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ना? चाइल्ड एंड वुमेन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री. इन 2 लोगों को केंद्र सरकार में मंत्रालय मिला है. ओके. नेक्स्ट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कौन सा सीट छूट रहा है हम लोग का? रांची, धनबाद, जमशेदपुर, गोड्डा, चतरा, गिरिडीह, कोडरमा, हजारीबाग ना? हजारीबाग. फ्रॉम हजारीबाग मनीष जायसवाल.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Manish Jaiswal elected from
BJP.
yes BJP party BJP but constituency Hazaribagh no BJP. So these are unreserved parliamentary constituency from Jharkhand and these are the candidates who won from approximate all over BJP political party. It is also alliance of BJP. There are the alliance of BJP, that means the whole alliance, that means a big political party, national political party BJP, and the alliance political party include in BJP the name of alliance is NDA, National Democratic Alliance. So these are unreserved parliamentary constituency from Jharkhand state, and these are the political party and the member who elected from the parliamentary constituency. From Ranchi, Sanjay Seth, who is also Minister of Defense, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defense. From Dhanbad, Lulu Mahto from BJP political party. Jamshedpur, Vidut Brahmato from BJP. From Godda, Nisikant Dubey from BJP political party. In Chatra, Kalcharan Singh, BJP. Giridih, Chandprakash Chaudhary, Alliance of BJP, ISU party. From Kodrama, Annapurna Devi, political party BJP, and she is also a minister of cabinet from Child and Women Development Ministry. From Hazaribagh, Manish Jaiswal, party BJP. Now, which seats are reserved for ST and SC? Okay. Now, which seats are reserved for ST? Okay. From 40, from 40. It is reserved for scheduled tribe. Lower Daga, reserved for ST. Singhbhum, which area? West Singhbhum, reserved for ST. Rajmahal is a parliamentary constituency in Santhal Pargana Commissionary. Rajmahal, reserved for ST. And Dumka is a district and also a parliamentary constituency, reserved for ST. From Khoti, Kalicharan Munda. From which political party? INC, Indian National Congress. One GK question raised there. In which year INC was established or formed?
1885.
Good, very good. INC was established in 1885. Who given the idea? A.O. Hume. Who is the first president? W.C. Banerjee. And the present president of INC is Mallikarjun Kharge. From Lower Daga, Sukhdev Bhagat. From INC, Indian National Congress. From Singhbhum, Joba Manji. From Jharkhand, Mukti Morcha. From Rajmahal, Vijay Hansda. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. It is the alliance political party of INC. Like UPA, United Progressive Alliance. From Dumka, Nalin Soren. From which political party? JMM. These are the reserved constituency for STs. Now, only one seat which is left, it is Palamu. Palamu is a parliamentary constituency which is reserved for SC. And who won from parliamentary constituency Palamu? BD Vishnu Dayal Ram. Which political party? BJP. Thank you. So these are the parliamentary constituencies. Thank you.